We come from centuries of a society that has considered madness a terrible deficit. We're conditioned to have two responses to it. One is fear and the other is pity. Well, let's just get rid of them. Fear and pity don't help anyone. And in fact, what we need to really challenge people to do is to start saying madness is a full and legitimate human experience. Fear and pity don't help anyone.